In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to compare products fast and easy. So whether you're an entrepreneur checking out market trends or just curious about the hype surrounding certain products, this tool is incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google website. In the search bar, simply type Google Trends and press Enter. You'll want to click on the very first link that appears. This takes you straight to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a section called Explore. You're going to want to click on that. The Explore tab is your gateway to all the actionable insights Google Trends has to offer, setting the foundation for your product comparison journey. Next, you need to set your location. You can choose a global perspective by selecting Worldwide, or zoom in on a specific market by picking a target country. Setting the location helps tailor the data to your specific geographic interest. Now let's dive into the fun part. Analyzing your products. Begin by entering the first product or keyword into the search bar. For example, let's say you want to track the search trend of an air fryer. Type it in and hit Enter, and Google Trends will display a graph showing the search interest over time. This graph is incredibly informative and offers a glimpse into how the product's popularity has fluctuated. To broaden your comparison, locate the plus compare button at the top of the page. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter additional products. For instance, you might compare air fryer with slow cooker or blender. You can compare up to 5 products simultaneously, providing a comprehensive view of their relative interest over time. Next, decide on the time range for your analysis. If you're curious about recent trends, select the past 12 months option. For a more extended analysis of market trends, select a longer range, such as the past 5 years. Adjusting the time range allows you to identify both short-term spikes and long-term patterns in search interest. Finally, it's time to analyze the graphs. The interest over time graph will instantly show you which products have a steady demand. Meanwhile, the interest by region map reveals where these products are most popular, giving you an insight into regional preferences. This information is particularly beneficial when you need to decide which products might have broader market appeal. With this step-by-step guide, you should now be well equipped to use Google Trends for swift and insightful product comparisons. I hope this tutorial proves useful as you explore and analyze product trends. Happy trending!